What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back out here in Wisconsin testing out the new Yak. As you guys can see, we're gonna be having a lot of fun this year. We got the new Yak. We're gonna be playing around with it today. First time maiden voyage today, so we're gonna test out. It is a fin drive, so we got a little bonus to it. Let me just do a little quick little tour real quick, and then let's head on to the water. So basically, we got the Blackpack Pro, the Yak Attack Blackpack Pro. They actually sent me the wrong one. I ordered a 13x13. They sent me a 16x16, which is awesome. We have a little Dakota lithium battery. There's a 12 volt 10 amp in here, but this is basically to power the camera up here, and also my phone charger, and then everything else is kind of basic. All right, guys, let's go explore. Damn, we're off. Oh my god, it's kind of sketchy. Hey guys, we are on the Yak. I'm still a little confused. I don't know why I'm going backwards. I'm doing this, but I'm going backwards. Alright guys, so I just had to, I just flipped it, to be honest. I have to, once I get home, I gotta redo it, but so far so good. You know, we're ending this back cove over here, so just stay tuned. I don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but today's main goal was just getting used to the kayak, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some fish for you guys. Yeah. I don't know if these bass are shallow or not. Water is stained, so this bright color should get them to hit. I gotta get used to sitting and casting too. It's so weird. Alright guys, we're still skunked out here, to be honest. It's almost 11. I think it is 11 right now. It's 11 right now. But we're gonna keep grinding it, you know. Never said it's gonna be easy, but it's always gonna be fun trying to challenge yourself, trying to catch fish. Especially on a different watercraft. Never done it before, but I mean, this looks pretty fishy, right? Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish, guys. First one. Let's go. It's good too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go. First bass. Come here, baby. Oh my god. Let's go. First bass on the kayak. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna bust this seat. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. I somehow hooked him on the bottom. Look at that. Oh, it feels nice to catch a fish, especially the green ones. Alright, let's see how long this bass is. Ooh, 16.5 inches. Let's go, baby. I'll take that. Here you go, buddy. Woo! Alright, we got a pattern, boys. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I was on the Fire Pro jackhammer with the little Zaco on the back. Nice. Now that we have a pattern, we can work around this whole like shoreline. It's just I'm not used to like sitting down and fishing like this. It's so weird. So when you do the hook sets, it's kind of awkward at times. And so it seems like these fish are just chilling in the weeds. Like they're in the weeds. Like we could see, I see some exposed weeds like here and there. And that's what I'm probably catching, that what I caught that fish in. Just in some weeds. Looking to ambush. Got another one. Oh my god. Oh, we got another one, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Alright boys, we're getting used to this now. We can get used to this. That's 2 back to back, guys. 2 back to back. Look at that. That boy wanted that. Straight up choked it. Look at that. Another beautiful 2-pounder. Here you go, boy. Appreciate you biting. Woo! Let's get it. Wasn't expecting to catch this many fish. I think I gotta find a better solution for the net too. Alright guys, let's go to the next point over there. We'll fish that little inlet, go into the river, the creek a little bit, and then call it a day. Gotta get some sleep. We came right after 3rd shift working. Damn, shut up. The water is much clearer back here in the creek, so I think I'm gonna go up and down the creek and I'll be back. Yeah, we'll head out. Because if the fish are here, they're gonna be in the creek. Practically went around the whole lake, so. Alright, we're gonna go up this creek. We're gonna use a little jerk bait. We use the 110 and the Wagasagi. I think water's clear up here, so these bass should be keying in on bait fish. Oh my god! Oh my god, what the f— how did he miss it? There's fish up this creek. Oh my god. How did he freaking miss it? Did you guys see that? No way. Alright, we're gonna fish on the way back and then head out. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up from this lake from Wisconsin. What a fun outing. You know, I wasn't really expecting to catch fish, you know. I was really just trying to play with the kayak, but we got those 2 bonus fish. The last fish was on the jerk bait. I missed it. It came up and hit at the surface. It T-boned it. I don't know how I did not get it, but we're out of here. Thank you guys for joining me. Just enjoying my time on the kayak. You know, it's the first time ever on the kayak. I got used to it pretty quick. Definitely got some things to think about, to upgrade, to mess around with. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little fishing outing on the yak. More yak videos coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned. This week we're actually heading out to not South Carolina. We're going to South Dakota. Chase some white bass, some walleyes, some crappies. Hopefully we catch some fish. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but we're heading out there this weekend. So make sure to stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe. Bass openers next week too. So we're gonna have a lot of bangers. I'm done with school for the semester. We got 1 semester of school left, and then we're about to graduate with a bachelor. But other than that, make sure to stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.